So this is the MIUI 12 running on the 4-year-old device, the Redmi Note 4. This is not a official ROM, this is a ported ROM. So let's find out how well this works and the performance, the features, and also let's talk about the overall MIUI 12 impressions. So guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe. Also like this video. Let's begin. So right off the bat, let's talk about the performance. I was literally surprised to see how well this is working on this 4-year-old device. I mean guys, this is really smooth. I mean the first boot was really laggy, so make sure that you at least reboot it once or twice so that things kind of get settled and you start seeing the performance boost. So you can see the multitasking and everything is really good. So it is definitely very good performance. I also tried gaming on this, the PUBG game, and it was working really smooth guys. It is definitely as good if not better compared to the MIUI 11 version. And by the way guys, this is based on the Android Pie ROM, so you are jumping directly from the Android Nougat to the Android Pie, which is quite a big jump. And by the way, this is actually an Indian variant of the Redmi Note 4 4GB model. So let's talk about the much hyped feature, the control center. I mean, a lot of people seem to like this, but obviously yes, it is clearly a ripoff of the iOS. As you can see here, looks exactly the same, the transparency and the overall look. But honestly speaking, this looks really good guys. For those people who are after that iOS look, they are going to love it, no doubt. But whether Xiaomi should do this or not is completely a different debate. So MIUI 12 is definitely a big upgrade in terms of visual appeal, especially. I mean, the UI elements look really eye candy, and definitely a normal average user would love this. So looking at some of the new features, here you can see the always on display. This is definitely a very good addition for especially the AMOLED display mobiles. Now you also have the dark mode. I'm not sure if this was not available in the previous version of the MIUI 11, specifically for the Redmi Note 4, but the dark mode definitely looks cool. I mean, most of the stock apps actually support this, and it looks really cool guys. Anyone who is interested in dark mode definitely loves this. There's also face unlock available. I haven't tested this, but I assume it works. You also have the focus mode, which is a standard feature of the Android, and also there are some special features which are kind of experimental, but I haven't really tested them out. But yes, there are a few like Kit Space and Video Toolbox, and Game Turbo actually seems to be working quite well. During my usage, I did not notice any unusual battery drains. It was pretty standard, I would say. There are no fancy animated wallpapers here, but you can actually get them by some workaround. I didn't really do that, but yes, you have some decent collection of wallpapers. I still don't recommend installing this because guys, a lot of UI elements are still in Chinese, so you may not really understand them. So I don't really recommend it, although it is quite stable. But I would say Redmi Note 4 does still have a lot of hope in terms of software updates, whether they are official or not. So that's been it guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.